Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix F124. It's not launching, right? So without further ado, let's get started. What I read, for some people, simple restart of the PC helped. So just try to first restart your PC and look if the problem persists. Another thing that I suggest to do here is to disable all the peripherals on your PC. So if you're using multiple controllers, steering wheels, foot pedals, or something like that, try to disable them all, and then look if the game is not launching, if it's launching or not, because in a lot of times game is not launching due to conflict with the peripherals. So just disable them all and then look if the problem persists or not. Also, the next thing that can prevent you from launching the game is overlays, right? So Steam uses overlay, Discord uses overlay, GeForce Experience uses overlay, even EA app uses overlay. So try to just go to settings on all apps, here application, and then here it should be in-game overlay, and just disable them all and look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, the next thing that I suggest you to do here is to go to settings. Then you need to go to Windows Update and make sure your operating system is up to date. Same with your GPU as well. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is GeForce Experience app to that. All you need to do here is to make sure that your operating system and your GPU drivers is fully up to date. So just go to for me, there is GeForce Experience. As you can see here, I'm using NVIDIA. If using AMD, I believe there is AMD Radeon to that. Check for updates and install latest drivers, and then restart your computer. Next thing, what you can do here, you need to open a client where you got the game. It really doesn't matter on Steam or EA app. The process will be pretty much the same. You just need to go to library, click on the three dots here, view properties, and then here right -window, right, and try to launch the game. Of course, save it first. If it's not working, then press again on three dots and repair. Maybe your files is corrupted and they need to be fixed. And still, if the problem is persisting, go to view properties, go to browse, and then here you'll see exe file. Here, what you need to do here is to right click on it, show more options, properties, compatibility, and make sure to enable these two options. And then once you're on this menu, press on the blank space on the search here, then copy the path. Then what you need to do here, you need to make sure that your Windows Defender firewall is allowing F1. So you need to go to Windows Defender Firewall, then go to allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Press change settings, press allow another app, browse, then paste the path and add exe file here, right? And then hit add, right? And hit OK. And next step, what you can do here, you need to go to graphic settings. Then you need to go to, again, here browse, paste the path. Then you need to go to F1, add, and then go to options and select high performance, right? And then go to virus and threat protection. Then you need to go to manage settings under the virus and threat protection. Scroll down until you see exclusions, hit yes, and then add exclusion folder, paste the path again, and then select folder. Right, and then the next step, what you can do here is to edit power plan options, and then go to power options, and then make sure it's on ultimate performance or high performance, and then maybe restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much it.